Today, we're looking at the Qinux Zoomzip, a mobile phone zoom lens that has been popping up all over the internet. The ads make it sound like a revolutionary product, but is it really worth your money, or is it just another online gimmick? Let's break it down and see if this is legit or a potential scam. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now, let's talk about some of the claims. The product description boasts features like 200x zoom or mega zoom, which immediately raises suspicion. To put this into perspective, even professional DSLR cameras with huge lenses rarely go beyond 50x optical zoom. For a tiny clip-on lens to promise 200x zoom is almost impossible. At best, what you're getting is digital zoom, which simply enlarges pixels instead of capturing real detail. Another bold claim is that it can turn your phone into a high-definition microscope. Real microscopes rely on extremely precise optics, something a basic clip-on attachment cannot achieve. The marketing also says it can capture the tiniest details and hidden secrets. These are vague and exaggerated statements designed to hook customers but are far from reality. The site also advertises full compatibility with 98% of mobile phones and no apps required. While the lens might physically clip onto many phones, actual alignment with the camera is tricky and results will vary widely depending on the phone model. To say it works flawlessly with almost every phone is misleading. Price is another big red flag. On the official Qinux Zoomzip site, the product is listed at $49 with a flashy 50% discount from the original $98 price. But if you check Amazon, the exact same lens is available for $46.99, which is actually cheaper than the so-called discounted price. This strongly suggests that the product is being drop-shipped, where sellers inflate prices and use fake discounts to create urgency. So what's the bottom line? While the Qinux Zoomzip may not be a flat-out scam, you probably will receive a lens, but it is surrounded by unrealistic promises, exaggerated marketing, and pricing tactics that raise serious concerns. If you're considering buying one, I'd advise caution. Do your research, check trusted platforms, and don't fall for flashy discounts that aren't really discounts. At the end of the day, it's not about whether the lens exists, but whether it actually performs as advertised. And in this case, the red flags suggest that it won't live up to the hype. Stay safe and always make informed decisions before buying from such websites.